This is the big news of the day. The GPU and chip shortage will come to an end. Intel has announced a $20 billion investment in new semiconductor production facilities in Licking County, Ohio. 2 new factories will be part of a 1,000-acre megasite just outside of Columbus. But that's only the beginning. This megasite, according to Intel, can handle up to 8 of these plants, with a total investment of more than $100 billion over the next decade. For the time being, Intel is preparing the first 2 factories, with building set to begin by the end of the year. However, assuming all goes according to plan, production from these factories will likely begin only in 2025. For Intel, which is constructing its first production facility in 40 years, this is major news. Intel revealed its IDM 2.0 strategy last year, stating that the corporation aimed to become a chip manufacturing powerhouse. This occurred just after Pat Gelsinger took over as CEO of Intel, and the company's direction seemed to be shifting rapidly. Intel has also committed to more consistent product launches in the future. It's also good news for Ohio's economy. During construction, the new facilities will employ 3,000 Intel employees and 7,000 construction workers. Plus, they will support tens of thousands of long-term jobs in the area, according to Intel. Intel also announced that it will invest $100 million in community research projects in Ohio, in collaboration with universities and community colleges. Keyvan S. Farjani, Intel Senior Vice President of Manufacturing, said, "The impact of this mega-site investment will be profound. A semiconductor factory is not like other factories. Building this semiconductor mega-site is akin to building a small city, which brings forth a vibrant community of supporting services and suppliers." Ohio is an ideal location for Intel's U.S. expansion because of its access to top talent, robust existing infrastructure, and long history as a manufacturing powerhouse. Intel says these Ohio factories are designed for the angstrom era. Angstrom is a measurement of size, and 1 angstrom is 1/10 of a nanometer, which is the unit used most often nowadays. These factories will support the Intel 18A nodes that will launch in early 2025.